Hey there, welcome to the video. Now, if you've ever struggled to come up with good titles and subtitles for your low and medium content books on Amazon KDP, then you're definitely not alone. One of the hardest parts of publishing is finding creative and keyword-rich titles that not only grab attention, but also help your book rank well on Amazon. So today I'm going to show you a fast and smart way to do this using artificial intelligence, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. This is going to help you come up with those titles and subtitles in just minutes. So if you've been stuck and frustrated with this process, this is going to be sure to help. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds interesting to you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, this video is especially for you if you've been struggling to incorporate keywords effectively into your book titles or subtitles, or you need a faster way to generate fresh ideas without staring at a blank page for hours, or if English isn't your first language, then this is going to help ensure that your grammar and your punctuation are spot on. Now, I'm going to be focusing mainly on low content and medium content books. So if you're working on journals, planners, activity books, or coloring books, this is going to save you a ton of time and effort. Plus, I'm going to show you how to supercharge your title and your subtitle using another one of my favorite tools that's going to help you increase the chances that your book gets ranked on the first page of Amazon. Okay, so for this example, I pulled up a list of keywords here that I've already done research on, and this is available on my Gumroad shop. So if you want to go ahead and download it, just go to my Gumroad shop. The link is down in the description box, and look for the dot marker keywords. Actually, all of the examples that I show today are going to be keywords here that I've already done research on. So that is going to be one thing with this tutorial, is you're going to have to already have some keywords that you've done research on to be able to craft your title and subtitle. And we're going to take these keywords, we're going to put them into artificial intelligence. And what we're going to do is we're going to have AI create us our title and our subtitle. So let's pull up ChatGPT. There it is right here. So we're just going to write in a simple prompt like this: create me a KDP book title and subtitle using the following keywords provided. We're going to go back to our list here. You could easily just grab a few here. I mean, if ChatGPT allows you to put everything, I'm going to try everything. And then I'm just going to paste it in here. So this is what ChatGPT came up with: dot markers fun, ultimate activity book, and coloring book. Now, if you notice, this is two titles in the subtitle, so there's going to be some tweaking here required. And then the subtitle: engaging dot marker activities and coloring pages for toddlers and kids ages 1 to 8, featuring animals, vehicles, ABCs, and more. So as you can see, this is actually a pretty effective subtitle, but the title does need a little bit of work because it has the double title going on here. This could easily just be dot markers, ultimate activity, and coloring book. Now, if you wanted ChatGPT to provide you more, you could just say more, and it'll give you some more titles and subtitles. So as you can see, it's spitting out 1, 2, 3, 4, a couple different titles and subtitles. If we go to the first one, Dot Marker Adventures, a creative coloring and activity book, perfect for toddlers in ages 1 through 8 with ABCs, animals, vehicles, and fun themes to explore. So I'm noticing that the subtitles are actually pretty good already, but the titles do need a little bit of work. Dot markers delight, fun and washable dot marker pages. So you do have to remember that when you're using ChatGPT or any AI, to actually go through the title and the subtitle that they provide you, read through it and make sure that it applies to specifically the book that you're making. Because for a KDP book, you cannot wash out the dot marker. And so this is something that you will have to delete. It would be something like fun dot marker pages for toddlers 1 to 3 and kids ages 2 to 8, featuring ABCs, animals, vehicles, and more. I'm actually really liking the subtitles here: creative and fun activities for toddlers, the perfect activity coloring book for kids, featuring magical themes and creative fun. Now we can add more things to the prompt. For example, we could add a little bit of the specifications about the book. So we could say the book is 8.5 by 11 inches, 120 pages, glossy cover. And let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. So as you notice with this one, the titles has that double title, but the subtitle, 120 pages of creative coloring fun for toddlers and kids ages 1 through 8 with animals, vehicles, ABCs, and more. Perfect 8.5 by 11 inch glossy cover design. Now, if you wanted to tweak it some more, and let's say you have a specific book, so a specific dot marker book, let's say it's only the alphabet. So you could easily just put in here, my book is only ABCs. ABC dot marker activity book, fun and creative alphabet coloring pages for toddlers and kids ages 1 to 5. 120 glossy pages in a big 8.5 by 11 inch format. They're not glossy pages, so this one has to be edited, but it is 8.5 by 11. So glossy cover, if I did that, because I did glossy cover. So you would just replace this with cover. But as you can see, artificial intelligence can really help you with your book's title and your subtitle. Now let's take another example. So this is my list of keywords for activity books for seniors. And as you're gonna notice, it has a bunch of different keywords for different types of books. So this one has puzzle books, it has coloring pages, it has word searches, it has a lot of different types of activities, but I'm gonna do the exact same thing. I'm gonna copy this entire list, bring it to ChatGPT. So my prompt is create me a title and subtitle for a KDP book about activity book for seniors, 8.5 by 11 inches, 120 pages, large print, easy to read. Use the following keywords provided, and I'm just gonna paste my keywords right here. And then let's see what it comes up with. Now, if you notice with the title, it does that double title thing. And I would stay away from these types of titles right here, gentle brain boost, because there's a lot of times where you don't realize, but a certain phrase has been trademarked. And so I really like to just go for the most generic titles that I possibly can. So for example, this one could just be activity book for seniors. And that's something that you could add on as a prompt to ChatGPT to tweak all of this. Now the subtitle, 120 easy to read pages of relaxing puzzles, coloring and memory games, perfect for dementia care, elderly adults, and geriatric gift ideas. So this is a very effective subtitle, but we really need to work on this title. So we could ask ChatGPT, make the title simple. And as you can see, it just changes it to activity book for seniors. But I really like to keep the title as simple as possible. And then really with the subtitle is where you're describing the book in more detail. Now with your title and your subtitle, make sure that you always follow KDP's guidelines when crafting your title and subtitle for your books, because there's actually a lot of rules to follow. And these guidelines are actually something that you can incorporate into your prompts to help you tweak your title and your subtitle even more. But just a word of caution, make sure to follow KDP's guidelines when it comes to the title and the subtitles. So some of the examples of items that are prohibited but are not limited to are things like repeating generic keywords like notebook, journal, gifts, books, etc. Unauthorized reference to other titles or authors, unauthorized reference to a trademark term. This is a big one. Reference to a sales rank, reference to advertisements or promotions, only using punctuation, using only one of these, and then HTML tags. So this is what applies to the book title. Now the subtitle is optional, but you should actually be using it. You have 200 or fewer characters to be able to put your title and subtitle together. And the subtitle adheres to the same guidelines as your title. So just some things to keep in mind. Now, if you really want to boost your chances at getting ranked on the first page of Amazon, being seen, and your books being sold, what you want to do is you want to use a tool like Publisher Rocket, specifically for their reverse ASIN lookup. So basically what this tool allows you to do is to put any ASIN or ISBN of a book, and it's going to give you the keywords that that book has ranked for any time that that book has been published. Let's just take our example of dot marker activity book, and let's look for a book here that's selling very well. So this one is ranked at 630. So for example, let's take this book. All we have to do is take the ASIN right here, copy it, go back to Publisher Rocket, paste it, and then click Go Get 'em Rocket, and it's gonna come up with all of these keywords. And so here are all the keywords that this book has ranked for on Amazon. As you can see, it's gonna be a lot of keywords. This one has 10 pages of keywords. So this is gonna be a much more targeted way of coming up with titles and subtitles for your book, because this is already targeted for this type of dot markers activity book. So what you can do is you can export all of these keywords by clicking up here, or you can actually press this magnifying glass and look through all of this to see which keywords you want to copy and to paste into ChatGPT. But for the purposes of this example, I'm going to export all, and then I'm going to just try to put as many as I can into ChatGPT. So here's the list. This is going to be a really long list, which I don't think I can actually put all of this on ChatGPT. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to randomly choose a couple just to show you what it can do. So let's go and open up our ChatGPT, which is right here. And we're going to do the same thing, right? We're going to say a dot markers activity book. And then we can put 8.5 inches by 11. We could do 100 pages. Use these keywords. And I'm just gonna grab a couple, copy that. As you can see, it's gonna do the same exact thing as with the other examples. This one says dot marker fun, but I would just tweak this to say dot marker activity and coloring book. 100 pages of creative dot art for kids ages 2 to 6, perfect for fun and learning with dot markers. So this is a simple way, and this is a more targeted way of creating your title and subtitle using keywords that that book has already ranked for. And so this is going to give you a better chance at potentially getting on the first page of Amazon, being seen by customers, and having your book sold. So if you want to check out Publisher Rocket, I'll leave the link down below. Also, if you want more KDP resources and interiors and keywords just like what I showed you today, make sure to check out my Gumroad shop. Also, link down below. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell, as well as follow me on all my socials at JeffSetLife. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.